Welcome to day 92 of Maths Wizard. We were doing section formula and midpoint formula, and already I have explained you the concept of midpoint formula and the centroid formula in the previous video. So now in this session we are going to discuss questions based on the midpoint formula and the basically concept of centroid. Okay na? So today's session will be specifically on the topic midpoint formula. And no doubt it is very easy chapter, you can say, very easy topic, you can say. So what is formula for midpoint? First let's write midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is nothing but the midpoint of any two particular coordinate joining the points, basically line. And let's say this is your line segment joining the points. 2 points are there, A and B, right? Because A is your first point, so it will be x1 y1, B is the second point, that's why it will be x2 y2, and somewhere here there will be a midpoint, right? There will be a midpoint. Let's say this point is M, so coordinate of M will be equal to x comma y, and this x comma y is nothing but, to find the coordinate of x you need to find, just add x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, and to find the y coordinate just you add y1 plus y2 by 2. So this will be the formula to find the coordinate of midpoint joining line joining 2 points. Got it, guys? Okay, fine. Now similarly here you are given 2 points and you need to find the midpoint midpoint basically. So let's find, this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. So midpoint is nothing but x comma y, and again you are going to write the formula again and again, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint is x comma y, and that will be equal to x1 plus x2, so minus 6 plus 3 by 2, then y1 plus y2, so 7 plus 5 divided by 2. So it will comes out to be negative of 3 divided by 2, comma 7 5 12 divided by 2, which that will comes out to be 6. Right? So this is the midpoint of the 2 points given. Let's say if this is A and this is B, then this point will be the midpoint of AB. Got it? Okay, fine. Similarly you can do this one question again, same to same. So I'm doing it directly, x1 plus x2, so 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 will be minus 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So it will comes out to be 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and it is again 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 2 comma 2 will be the answer for the second part. Okay, let's move towards our next question, and this is the next question. Point A and B have coordinates 3 comma 5 and x comma y respectively. So let's write over here, let's say this is A, which is 3 comma 5, and let's say this is B, which is x comma y. And now respectively the midpoint of AB is 2 comma 3. So exactly midpoint is nothing but 2 comma 3 we are given over here. Then we have to find the values of x and y. Let me tell you, these are always x and y. This is always x1 y1, and this point is always x2 y2. Right? They have just written it is x and y. So to find the coordinate of x, our formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, right? And to find the coordinate of y, basically midpoint 1, that is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Correct? Fine. What is x? X over here 2. So you can substitute over here 2. x1 is what? It is 3. Then x2 is what? x2 is x. That's what actually we have to find, divided by 2. Just we need to cross multiply over here to get the answer. Okay. So if I cross multiply, it will be 3 plus x is equal to 2 to the 4. So value of x from here, it will comes out to be 1. Similarly from here, value of y is 3 is equal to y1 is 5 plus y2 is actually it is y divided by 2. Just again cross multiply. So it will be y plus 5 plus y is equal to 3 to the 6. So y is again 6 minus 5, that is 1. So 1 comma 1 will be the coordinate of this point B, and value of x and y, no doubt, that is 1 and 1. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Now let's come to the next question. In this question we are given A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. So let's draw it first. So let's say we are given a triangle with vertices A, B and C, and vertex A is 5 comma 3, vertex B is negative 1 comma 1 and vertex C is 7 comma minus 3. Fine. Now if L is the midpoint of AB, where is AB? AB is this one and L is somewhere here, which is nothing but the midpoint of AB. Let's say this point is midpoint of AB. So let's first find this point L. Let's find the midpoint of L. Arey bhai chal ja yaar. Midpoint of L. So what will be? X1 plus X2. Try to do now directly, because this is very small thing in case of this one whole basically chapter. So 5 plus this, it will comes out to 4 and 4 divided by 2, 2. Directly we can find. Okay na? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. So L midpoint already we have found. Next, M is the midpoint of AC. Where is AC? This is AC. Here M is any point, that is the midpoint. Let's find. X1 plus X2, 5 plus 7, 12. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then this plus this will comes out to be 0. So 0 upon any number is 0. So already we have to find L and M. Now we have to prove that LM is half of BC. If I join LM, we need to prove that LM is half of BC. It means here we have to use the distance formula that we have already studied. If you don't have studied, no problem. So let's say there are 2 points A and B, and if I want to find the distance between these 2 points, then no doubt you will be given the coordinates of these 2 points, and the formula of it is x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. Got it? Now if I want to find the distance of LM, then what it will be? Under root. First point is always x1 y1, second point is always x2 y2. Just we need to substitute the values over here, that's it. So x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2 to the whole square, then plus 0 minus 2 to the whole square. So LM will be equal to 6 minus 2, 4 ka square, then plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 itself to the square. So LM will comes out to be 4 chaka 16 and 4 4 ja 16, and negative 2 square will be positive, so it will comes out to be 4. So 16 and 4 is nothing but 20. Under root 20. Also you can take prime factorization just to simplify over it. Then how can I write it? 2 root 5, right? Just take prime factorization to prime factorization and take out the basically common things. Common things means whose pair basically comes out to be there, right? So pair 2, 2 and then 5. So 2 root 5. 2 to the 4, 5 is 20. Fine. Next, similarly we need to find the distance of BC. Let's find BC. So this point will be x1 y1 and this point will be x2 y2. So distance between the BC will be, B and C will be equal to x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 1. So it will be then plus 1 to the whole square. Remember it? 7, then minus is already there in formula and it is minus 1. So minus plus. Then plus, then y2 minus y1. y1 is 1 to the whole square. Let's solve this. So it will comes out to be 7 plus 1, 8. 8 square is 64. Then plus, this is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 the square is 16. So it will comes out to be 80. Now it will be 4 root 5. 4 root 5. 4 4 is 16 and 16 5 is 80. Got it? Fine. Now you can easily see that LM, we need to prove that LM is nothing but half of BC. Just substitute over here. LM is 2 root 5. Half as it is into BC. BC is 4 root 5. Cancel 2. So 2 root 5 is equal to 2 root 5. Hence proved. Got it, guys? So this was the question number. I have not mentioned the question numbers, but I think it was the third question. Now let's move towards our next question. Again, we are given M is the midpoint of the find the coordinates of A and B. Very easy. So M is the midpoint. Actually, we are already given over here that M is the midpoint of which line? AB. So A we don't know. We need to find. No doubt it is x1 and y1 always. Midpoint is always x and y, which is already given over here. M is 1,7 and B is minus 5,10. Got it? Okay, fine. Now if I apply formula x, that will comes out to be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and for y coordinate it will be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So for x it is 1, then x1 is x1 itself, then plus x2 is minus 5 divided by 2. Just take cross multiply, so it will become x1 minus 5 is equal to 2. So from here x1 will comes out to be 7, right, plus 2. Minus 5 will become plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Similarly over here y is 7, then y1 is y1 itself, then y2 is 10 divided by 2. And now cross multiply, so y1 plus 10 is equal to 7 to the 14. So from here y will become 4, right? So the coordinate of a will become 7 comma 4. Similarly you can find the coordinates of b, exactly same question. Got it? So that question is homework for you. Okay, now next question. Here we are given 1, 2, 3 points are the vertices of triangle, and we need to find the length of the median through the vertex A. Let's draw the figure first. We have a triangle with coordinates with basically vertices. A is, let's the name of the triangle is ABC. So A is minus 5 comma 2, let's say. B is 3 comma minus 6. C is 7 comma 4. Now we need to draw a median through vertex 3 comma minus 6. Where is 3 comma minus 6? Vertex V. So let's choose the vertex V, and from here you need to draw a median. This is your median. What does median do is, median divides the basically sides into two equal halves. So this one now will become the midpoint, and we need to find the median's length of median. So if I know one point, I just need to find this point. Let's say this point is D, and we need to find the midpoint. This plus this will be 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Then this plus this will be 6 divided by 2 will be 3. Got it? Now because I know the coordinates of B and D, just I need to apply the formula of distance formula. So x2 minus x1, 1 minus 3 to the whole square, then plus 3 minus 6, so 3 plus 6 it will become 3 plus 6 minus plus it will become, right? So BD will be equal to negative 2 square is 4, then plus 9 9s are 81. So under root 85, under root 83. No, it will be 85. Yes, 85. 81 plus 4, 85. Got it? Next. Given a line ABCD in which, okay, let's draw ABCD, and we are given some conditions also. AB, BC and CD are equal. AB, BC and CD are equal, right? Fine. All these three, it means you can say that B is the midpoint of AC, C is the midpoint of BD. Got it? Next. So B is 0 comma 3. Let's write 0 comma 3, and C is 1 comma 8. Now we need to find the coordinates of A and D. Let's say this coordinate is x1 comma y1. Now because we know that this is the midpoint, we can easily find the coordinates of A exactly same as this one question. This question, part 1, right? You are already given midpoint, you already know one coordinate, just we need to find this one. So if I use directly, so x will be equal to 0, x1 plus x2, x1 plus x1, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, cross multiply, x1 will become minus 1. Similarly for y, so y is 3, so 3 is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 3 6 minus 2. I think minus 2 it will be, na? Yes, minus 2. After solving you will get minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is the answer for the coordinate E. That's it. Very simple, right? Once you know the calculation, how to cross multiply, how to add and subtract, the questions are very easy. Okay, next. Also we need to find the coordinates of D. So let's say this coordinate is x2 y2. Now this coordinate will act as x1 y1, and this coordinate will act as x and y. Just apply midpoint formula exactly same way, and you will get the x2 y2. Got it? Next. Again. Already I have explained you guys this kind of question when I was explaining the concept of this kind of questions basically in the last session. Just in day 91 video, they are exactly same type of question, just I had changed the digits, otherwise exactly same question it was. So this question is homework for you, and just comment down your answer, right? Okay, so if you have any problem in any kind of question, you can send on this number, and I will try to provide you the complete solution video for that particular. And if you need personal online class, you can connect on me through this number. And also join the Telegram group. You will get the link in the description, because I'm going to upload this PDF on the Telegram channel. Okay guys, so that's it for today's class. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.